I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Matt with ClassifiedSubmissions.com. Just click subscribe here, and you'll be the first to know about our videos on affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing software. I'm going to show you how to use Spintax. Now, Spintax is a system which allows you to rotate titles and descriptions when submitting information, usually using different types of submission software. Now, it's not just unique to our software. This is used on many different software platforms. Someone wants to learn how to use Spintax with our software, it works the same exact way on other platforms. It's not something we invented. It's something just that exists already, a certain type of code that exists that works on many different platforms. Okay, so say you have 3 titles and you want them to rotate every time you submit your titles. You have a Title 1, Title 2, and Title 3. So what you do is you got these curly cues on the end. You see this is a curly cue? And then here's the other closed curly cue. Now in between you have your titles, and in between each titles you have the pipe symbol. Okay, the pipe symbol. And what you do is you could put as many titles as you want like this. You could put 100, you could put 1,000 titles. And every time the software finds a title, it will put in a different title. So say if I put this here into my software. Every time the software submits, it's not going to submit all of this. It's going to submit Title 1, then next time it'll submit Title 2, and next time it'll submit Title 3. And it's random. It'll submit random titles. And I could have 100 titles like this. I'm just using 3 as an example. So it allows you to rotate your titles so you're not putting the same exact copy out all the time. It doesn't look good on ad sites. It doesn't look good anywhere. Also, you could get penalties from Google because you're using duplicate content. You want as much unique content in any type of submission that you do. If you're doing video submissions or article submissions or ad submissions, it doesn't matter. You want as much unique content as possible, and this allows you to have unique content. So Spintax is actually quite simple. All you do is you put your information in between pipe symbols and surrounded by curly cues, and that's it. Now you could do the same thing with descriptions. You could have multiple lines here. I could have description, 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 and then the pipe symbol, and now I have my next description, and then I have the pipe symbol and my next description. If I do that and put that here where the description is, right here, it's going to rotate descriptions. It's not going to submit all of this. It's going to take one description, and then next time it'll take another random description. I could have 100 descriptions all separated with pipe symbols. And that way, every time I submit, I'm submitting something new. I got a new title and I got a new description. One time it will be Title 2 with description 3. And then the next time it'll be Title 3 with description 1. So that gives me unique content when I'm submitting my ads. So that's basically how Spintax works. Now here's a neat tool that can help save you time. You can go to a site called getspintax.net for this. And say you've got a bunch of titles here. And you don't feel like typing pipe symbol, pipe symbol, pipe symbol after each one of them. Say you got hundreds of them, right? And this you could probably do it manually pretty quick. But you don't want to put pipe symbols in everything. And you don't want to have to put curly cues everywhere. This will automatically convert a list into Spintax. So you just put your list like this, one per line, click Get Spintax, and voila, here we go. We have everything in Spintax, and you just copy and paste. You put that into the software, whatever software, doesn't have to be our software. It's any software that is works for Spintax, and you're good to go. That saves you a lot of time. So I just want to make this short video because some people have been asking me, what's Spintax? How does this work? It's as simple as that. Sometimes I just explain it to people in an email. You just put curly cues and pipe symbols in between everything that you want to rotate. So if you put everything like this in this format, every time the software submits, it'll submit a different title. It'll give you more variety in your copy, and you'll avoid penalties from Google. And also it looks better wherever you're submitting. It doesn't look like you're spamming the same thing over and over and over again. Plus you get found for different keywords. If you have different keywords in the titles, you can get found for different keywords. So it is always best to rotate to have as much unique content as possible. So I hope this taught you how to use Spintax. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments section. If you have any more information about tools that help you put your text into Spintax, you can let us know about that as well. There's spinning software out there that's very elaborate that you can get that will do a lot of this for you. So this is Matthew May with coolmarketingsoftware.com. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. We'll be coming out with tutorials like this on a regular basis. Thank you so much.